Hi, I'm Duke.
And I'm Lila.
And this is BossaNova Life. And today we are with our amazing friends Brett and Laurel. And they're taking us on a ride in their Olds 88. It's pretty dope.
Aloha!
Aloha!
Woohoo!
Hell, honey, baby. Hell, honey, baby.
Yes.
No, wait. No, there's no restraining of any females in this car. No, you are not to be restrained.
We do not restrain females inside of this vehicle.
No. You let them run wild and free. Wild and free.
So Laurel, is this your ride or is it this gentleman's ride?
Not mine.
It's your ride.
This is my baby,
So
my first child.
you're all back of the bus. What's going on?
You know what? Because I love my ride, and my ride gives love to everybody.
That's
so,
right, it gives love to everybody. So what have we got here, Laurel? What are you driving?
We've got a 1954 Rocket 88 Oldsmobile.
Rocket 88, baby.
4-door, yes it is, and I bought it back in Long Beach, and I was terrified as
And you brought it to the rainy state.
Yes.
What were you thinking?
And I brought it to where?
The rainy state.
I did, but you know, we can go cruising and we can enjoy her so much better out here on the open roads than we ever could down on the 405, the 10, the 101, blah, 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 down to downtown LA.
That's truth.
Far true.
She's turquoise.
So what's the story? What's the story? What led you to this awesome ride?
You know what? I've always had a dream when I was younger, when I was 18, I believe. I said I would buy myself
Younger, so like 4 years ago? Okay.
I would buy myself a classic car by the time I was 22, or by the time I was done with college, and that never happened. And so I got my degree and everything like that, and I finally found the inspiration to buy another car, and that dream became another reality. So here we are in my 1954 Oldsmobile.
So how long have you had this ride?
Since 2010.
2010.
So 9 years.
I just want one. I want a ride.
Yep.
So what have you done to it? Is it original? Everything
Original, super fun, original. The only thing that I did was update the radio to have an auxiliary amp, and that's it. Everything is original, and we are cruising like rock stars here in Eugenia, Oregon.
Eugenia? Eugenia? Wow, I did not know. Well, that was the name of it.
Her name is Betty the Beast.
Oh, she has a name. That's what we're talking about.
Betty the Beast.
Yeah.
Because she was a beast to drive, and I'm so scared of it still. So she's an amazing ride, but my boys love it, as you can see with the stickers and everything like that.
Your boys put the stickers on it.
Yeah,
You're letting you're letting your young boys. And how old are your boys?
My boys are 4 and 6, and we moved to Eugene when they were 9 months and 2.5.
Wow.
Yeah.
I see. That's what's up.
And then we got to meet Duke and Lola. Woo!
That's what's up.
I love driving Betty the Beast.
You love driving Betty the Beast.
You get more looks than a hot rod. Because
That's
you're
true.
Just cruising.
I bet.
And I'm not gonna lie, as a guy seeing the interior, I'm a big fan of the dash. You know, when you're inside of the car, what else are you looking at? You're looking at the dash, you're looking across the hood, and check out that emblem right there. It's magnificent. So, talk to us. You're from SoCal originally, and obviously you've been. That's right. That's right. And you've been in the pinup scene for a while.
For a little bit.
For a little bit. What are your feelings on that subject?
Beauty, glamour, feminine, confidence. I think it's amazing. So you gals get out there and rock your shit, because we are beautiful, and do not let the fashion of these days turn you down.
That's right.
There's stuff beautiful that you can accentuate all of your looks with.
Agreed. Oh my gosh. This lady is style and grace, so take her advice. She knows what she's talking about.
She knows what she's talking about.
Yes.
One of the classiest dames in our hometown right here.
Yes. Pretty cool guy who comes along with her.
So how did you come up with the name Lava L'Amour?
Lava L'Amour. I have an affinity for Hawaiian culture, and the
Right.
So that's where I'm at. Lava L'Amour because I love life and I love vintage and I love the pinup culture and I love Hawaii. Aloha!
And how did you meet this amazing lady?
Oh, I met her on a blind date.
Oh, Mandy, you're not blind anymore. Well, even a blind guy can tell she's attractive. I admit that.
I was
That's true.
blind and now I can see.
Woo! Getting all biblical on this.
So, the
And I love how you handled those 2 roundabouts in a row, by the way, in the Olds 88.
Yeah.
Pretty dope.
Of course. And as far as wearing vintage, as far as wearing, you know, like what era that fits you, if not now, when?
Exactly.
So I wear all of my Hawaiian awesome shirts.
You wear what
as
makes you
often
happy.
as I can.
What makes you happy, buddy?
As often as I can. Because if not now, when? When am I going to wear them when I'm retired? When I'm going to wear them on the weekends? I'm going to wear them. I love enjoying when people see us, their jaws drop, and
That's true.
They can see that they're like, wow, why am I wearing this blah black jacket from wherever, where I could be really wearing some color.
So what you're telling me is hot couple right here, top of the heap.
Yeah, absolutely.
I love it. So does this light up? What's going on with that actually?
Light up, but this is that is
Like a little planet?
planet Earth right there, the center of it all. The
Wow,
center of the big,
right in the middle of
awesome
the old
steering wheel.
88 steering wheel.
Yep.
That's crazy.
This was Lava L'Amour's idea, which is pretty fantastic. But I feel like this needs to become a thing. Like get dressed up
We
and
should.
go out.
Shoot a dapper date night once a
These are
month.
Not costumes.
No.
This is a way of living.
These
So
are our
everybody-
clothes.
Yes, love vintage life.
Costumes.
Love BossaNova
I happen to
life.
know that this lady's entire closet is full of this stuff.
Okay.
So what's your favorite thing about your Olds 88?
Just a classic old school style and having family time with my boys and my family.
That's right. That's what's up. Thank you so much, Lava.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Aloha.
Well, thank you for watching our video. Do you like classic cars and rockabilly?
What about pinup and burlesque?
What about those things? How about tiki culture and mid-century modern?
Atomic culture.
All of those things can be yours. Just click like and subscribe right there. Do it.